Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to change playoff settings. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change playoff settings in ESPN Fantasy Football, you must be the league manager and changes can only be made before the playoff starts. So to do it, first head over and open up your ESPN app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option on the bottom of your screen, then simply entering your credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your football league, then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now scroll down and select the settings, then simply tap on playoffs or playoff settings. Now here you can adjust number of teams making playoffs, playoff start week, playoff format, example single elimination, 2-week matchups, then seeding rules. Now once done, all you gotta do is simply save your changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.